Ah, the daily dilemma. Your kids want to eat something sweet. You want them to eat something healthy. Here's the compromise. Take 2 avocados that are a little past ripe, not moldy like this one, throwing that one away. One that is mushy, but just a little brown. We'll use this. You scoop it into your mixing bowl and then mush it around like you're making guacamole. Then put it in your food processor or blender and take some cacao or cocoa powder. 4 tablespoons of this in the food processor, 1/2 cup of milk. We like raw milk in our family. Maple syrup is the sweetener. This recipe calls for 4 tablespoons, but you could use less depending on taste. The last ingredient, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Put that all together in a beautiful mixture and then let your kids let her rip for a few seconds, maybe 20 or 30, and it should come out looking just like this. It is delicious.
That is good.